Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Josh, aka Big Fish. This down here is Austin, aka Boston. And today we got a special guest. Over here, our good friend and neighbor, Charlie. And we're going to be doing a little project here today. He wants some running boards on his truck, which is a 2016 Nissan, Charlie? 2016?
Yep.
2016 Nissan Frontier. I guess he needs a little step to help get up in there. So we're going to put that on. Austin's got a hold of one right now. Kind of that tubular design, but anyways, we're going to see how that goes. Coming back. Just joking. I said I should have been filming that.
Oops, I let go too soon.
Oh no, everybody back up. Last time we had a ball of fire come out of there, everybody. A little bit. Yeah, that almost... if you're wearing shorts, Austin, your legs would have been torched for sure. Yeah. Well.
After it heats up real good, it puts that quick.
Oh man. Oh no. Oh no. Even flames came out the back too.
Ouch, that thing getting hot there.
Alright, you want to try that, Austin? How do you do that, Charlie?
Okay, hold that silver button down for a while and then hit the striker button.
Okay, yeah.
And you gotta hold that silver button down until it heats up to a certain point.
How long? Oh, I'd give it a go right now, man. Yeah, there you go. Okay, see.
Yeah, could you get it to ignite?
Yeah. Just keep a hold in there. Oh wow, that's putting off some heat. Uh-oh. Hot potato.
That makes me mad.
Just go for it. Last time he about blew us up. He held that down too long.
Never had to heat it that long before.
Really? Well, it's been a long time since you used it, right?
Yeah.
I mean, how long has it been?
I don't know. Let's see, what were you doing? I don't remember now.
I remember when Nolan was here.
Yeah, you were working on the Dodge.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I did for the Dodge, the old Dakota. Yeah.
Handle.
Is it melting the handle? Well, how's it melting the handle? Shouldn't there be a fan on or something?
There's supposed to be a
Yeah.
blower on it.
Hold on a second. Let's back her off. Yeah, shouldn't there be a fan on? Is this even plugged in? Let's check this cord just to make sure it's plugged in. It looks like it is, but...
It's got power, because that ignites the...
Oh, is that what does that?
yeah,
Isn't there a fan that's supposed to kick on?
Oh, wait a minute. It doesn't.
There you go.
There you go.
Okay. Switch on. Okay, hold on. Let me slide by you here. All right. There you go. Let go now. Oh, never mind. Okay. I guess you still have to hold it for a couple seconds. Watch your leg, Charlie. There's some change there. Now she's working. Up top, up top. Yeah. Hey, this is a first for us, guys. We got a covered garage and heat. What do you know? Alrighty, let's do this. Check out this beauty. Installation instructions. I said installation instructions. We don't need those. We're gonna do this freestyle. Okay, we got the passenger side bolted on, completely mounted, tightened down. Now we need to test it. Charlie, we need to test it. Test on it. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How's that work? That working good?
Yeah. I always
Yeah.
had to lift my leg in before.
Yeah. Nice. That is awesome. You know what? And they look good too. That'll be just fine. All right. Yeah. Well, when this washes up, it's going to look sharp. And then maybe if we get a tonneau cover there. Try it again. Oh yeah. That is the ticket.
Perfect.
I like that. All right. Well, we're going to go try that driver's side. See you in a bit. All right, well, there's the driver's side all finished up. Let's give it a test. Oh, okay. How'd that one feel?
Good.
Good, good.
Step right in.
There you go. Feels good and solid. Yeah, there we are. Like a rock.
Oh,
Excellent. That'll make it a lot easier.
oh yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Much better.
Yeah. All right. Good deal.
Yep.
All right, everybody. Well, that's the old running boards for the Nissan Frontier. All mounted up, ready to rock. I think it took us longer to get the heater going than it did actually to put the running boards on there. Anyways, it's a nice, easy project. Like I said, just 12 bolts per side. It's super simple. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm Josh, Austin, and today we got Charlie with us. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.